Okay, so taking a look at the S&P 500, we can clearly see that we are in uptrend despite the March crash that occurred last year around March 2020. So, but looking short term, we can see that we are riding the 6-day moving average as a very, very strong support. As you can see, we bounced here, we bounced here, we bounced here, and so on for the past couple of weeks. Now, we know that the Federal Reserve will be speaking tomorrow. Jerome Powell will be speaking about inflation, rates, and the economy overall. So, ideally, I would like a bounce off the whole ribbon, but in this video, I'll outline what my two targets are, since this is a binary event, which means that it's basically a coin flip. Now, the market can only go two ways as well. It can go up or down with the exception of sideways. So, if we dramatically, the markets tend to dramatically move one way or the other when Jerome Powell is speaking. And that's just the nature of the markets. So, if we do move up, I think my target will be around 40 to 70 with 10-point increments if we keep going up. Because anything above 42.58 is exploratory price action. There is really no known way of knowing where the resistance is unless it is whole numbers, because humans tend to place buys and sells at whole numbers, right? And so looking to the downside, like I said before in my Alibaba analysis video, whole ribbons are one of my major supports that I use and resistances. As you can see here, it kind of rejected off the whole ribbon, and so if you caught that, you would have caught this whole sell-off up until the 50-day moving average, bounce up, a retest, and then that's where we ended up. So looking to the downside, if it does occur, because based on previous Jerome Powell speeches, the market tends to trend a little bit lower before resuming in an uptrend. So looking at the whole ribbon, we can see that I have a target of 4,200 within the next couple of days, if not weeks. And my reasoning is not just for the whole ribbon bounce as well. It is also because based on my analysis on the futures, I do see there are a couple of single prints that are located within 4,200. Now that should be an area where going long would be ideal. Going long at all-time highs, fairly close to all-time highs, is a bit risky. But unless you are bull biased, I think waiting for 4,200 would be a better deal. So that concludes my analysis. Thank you for watching.